Good morning. It's the big day. I've been talking for weeks about ringing the babies. So let's do it. Oh, I gotta get my kit. Okay, I've got my kit. These are my colored bands. This is my little coffee filter nest for when I'm done with them. A couple of toothpicks, I'll show you what those are for. And the little identification rings. They are a closed aluminum cylinder, and that's what you use to band them. Okay. Normally this only takes just a minute or two to get this done, so it'll be a quick little video. The way the band works, I'm using the word band and ring kind of interchangeably. Some of the people in Australia and Europe are not as experienced in breeding finches, and they use the term ring, so it's just to help them out. Slip it down the leg over this little back toe, and then boop, and then the ring is on their leg. So let's do it. So when you open the lid, there's the little babies, you know, the little nest, right? Oh, okay, that's no problem. We can make that work. So usually the first biggest baby is closest to the entrance, so we'll just kind of sneak him out. Ow! You little bat. Hang on one sec. Okay. Sometimes those the older ones are a little feisty. All right, let's do that again. If I could just get my thumb in there, I could grab a foot. Okay, there we go. Hi. Hi, you. All right, I got them with my wrong hand, so now I've got to get them into this hand. Hang on. Okay. Be careful with them. All right, so now I need the ring. Didn't get this ready yet. Let me see if I can pop the platen around a little plastic. All right, hang on a second. Let me put you in here for a minute. Okay. So you slip the ring off. It's a little hard to do with my Band-Aids. Like that. And if you look at them really closely, they have the ring size and a number and the year on them, but you can tell from the color. I can show you. You can tell from the color what year it is. You knew that was going to happen. There we go. All right, now got the little ring. Don't worry, they don't go very far at this age. And this is why I'm always wearing socks. Okay, still have the ring though. I'll just get a different one. I'll go back to that guy when I can find him. I'll just get a different one. All right, let's see. Let's do it this hand this time. Let's get smart. Oh, there we go. Oh, no, that's just a bunch of poop. Okay, let's try again. Oh, they're back there in the back. I think they learn after the first one to kind of hide a little bit. That's okay. I'm prepared for that. Hang on. If I just kind of slip this in there. The only thing is, it's kind of hard to see what you're doing because of the little tube that goes into their nest chamber. I'm just gonna kind of gently scoop around Till I feel a little something. Oh, there we go. I feel a little something. Okay. Oh, no, that's just more poop. Normally it's not this much of a problem, really. So I think if I just roll it just a little bit gently, see if I can hear them tumbling in there a little bit. Then they'll kind of, you know, come out of the little nest part. Maybe just a little shake. No worries, there's always a way. Just have to be patient and persistent. We can do this. You know what? You don't have to wring them if it's too hard. Yeah, you don't have to wring them. Sometimes it's just better to let them fledge and then you can, you know, catch them later. We're just gonna go ahead and put that back. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some good tips anyway. There you are. Ow! Ooh, God, you little bat. I'm saving your life. Yeah. What? Now, what did I do with the ring? Where did that go? Oh, there's no way. There's no way. Ring them, they say. That's important. Good breeders ring their birds. Aviary can ring.